Welcome back to another COHO walkthrough. Today we're going to look at how to get tenants onboarded. To do this, you can either go directly to your property, click on an empty room, and press New Onboarding. The other way is to go back to your COHO dashboard and find the Onboarding panel. From here, click Onboard New Applicant, select the room, the property, as well as all of the lead tenants details. Switch on whichever steps you need for this let: a holding deposit, an application form, referencing. Skip any that don't apply. Once everything's been filled in, the invitation will go out to the tenant and the onboarding process can begin. Once onboardings have begun, you'll get an overview of all of your tenants at each stage of the onboarding process, from application all the way through to follow-up. Once a tenant has completed one stage, it will automatically send them on to the next. Click the View button next to the tenant's name to see their onboarding journey. The entire onboarding journey is done through your COHO dashboard, plus everything is color-coded to make tracking easier. If it's green, it means they've completed the step. If it's purple, it means it's in progress. If it's orange, that means actions required on your side. So, for example, if we were to look at this tenant at the last stage of their application process, we can see that they've paid their holding deposit, they've completed the application form, they've sent over their references, they've received all necessary documents and signed their contract, as well as paying their move-in monies. All that's left to do is click complete this step and the onboarding process is complete.
COHO.